Something enormous is buried here. It moved, but not fully open. It still reacts, barely.
This was the command center of a giant.
It's stuck in the ocean's grip.
Now it rises evenly.
It's lifting, but unstable.
The surface is right up at it. Yeah.
After 30 years, light touches it again.
Stress levels stabilizing. Proceed with slow rotation to the starboard side. Keep the tension steady. Every centimeter is controlled.
Now it can finally move on land.
It's leaving the ocean behind.
Something this big takes everything.
Inside, the rebuild begins.
Now we take it apart. There are empty spaces behind solid panels.
First, we strip away the ocean.
Nothing opens easily. That's the first.
There's more damage behind this layer.
It's not empty in there.
There's a sealed space behind this wall. Something is blocking the cut.
This section was reinforced heavily. This time, it moves.
There's space inside, but no light.
There's another system buried deeper.
Now we take it back to bare metal. It's coming off faster than expected.
The metal remembers everything.
The shape stays, the history fades.
Something is slightly bent underneath.
Now it becomes fully real.
It wasn't just surface damage.
The line keeps moving upward.
Now we rebuild what was missing.
One section is stable again.
The skeleton is getting stronger.
The damage is structural everywhere.
Now it becomes a full restoration operation.
Now we rebuild it, piece by piece. The surface was only part of it. There's another layer behind this frame.
Now we prepare to protect it.
First layer is protection.
Now the flaws become visible again.
The primer looks thin right here by the rib.
Yeah, I see the contour. I'll make a note for rework.
Now we refine what we rebuilt. Now the surface becomes even. Not all areas accept the coat the same.
We balance the surface again.
The shape must be perfect before color return.
Now we build depth into the surface.
Even the smallest flaw matters now. Now it is ready for color.
Now, it returns to what it once was. For the first time in decades, its color returns. The aircraft starts to look like itself again.
It has to match everywhere.
Now the shape becomes whole.
The first layer only brings it back halfway.
Every edge must disappear into the hole.
Now it gains depth. Now it looks alive again.
One final layer remains.
Now the finish becomes permanent.
This is the layer that defines everything.
Now it must set permanently. Now the finish becomes permanent. The shell is complete. Now it must become a machine again.
Now it must stand on its own again.
1 millimeter off stops everything.
Now it fits exactly.
One leg is not enough to stand.
One millimeter off stops everything.
It's not fully balanced yet. The rear must complete the balance.
Now it can truly stand.
Now it is no longer just a shell. The aircraft can open again.
Whatever is inside this module, it's heavily shielded. Run the deep scan sequence again, focusing on layers 4 through 7.
It's close, but not perfect yet. Now it fits exactly as it should. Now it begins to breathe again.
Now the heart of the aircraft returns.
Even a small shift matters here.
Now it is locked in place.
One engine is not enough for flight.
The aircraft is almost ready to awaken.
Inside, the aircraft is still asleep.
Something still refuses to wake. A sign, just one.
Power is returning to the brain.
Everything is ready, but nothing has started yet. After years of silence, it waits. It wants to move.
From forgotten to flying again.